I'm Thomas from Festfloor. Today we're going to show you how to apply PU Fest 2K sealer and protect the surface of microcement. Let's start. PU Fest 2K sealer is a two-component polyurethane product that needs to be mixed in a precise 5:1 ratio by weight. We offer it in 3 different package sizes: 5 kilograms and 1 kilogram, 1 kilogram and 200 grams, and 500 grams and 100 grams. So, depending on the size and scope of your project, you can easily choose the exact package size that fits your needs. This product comes in 3 types of finishes: matte, satin, and high gloss. But no matter which specific version you ultimately decide to choose, this varnish will give your microcement a natural and subtle appearance, simply highlighting the unique qualities of the microcement. Also keep in mind that this product is highly resistant to UV radiation. So if you have large windows and a lot of direct sunlight, this product will work very well in that area. Also remember that it has quite good abrasion resistance and quite good resistance to stains. Most importantly, it is very easy to apply, so both people without experience and professionals who already have a lot of experience with this type of surface will be able to work with this product without any problem, even on larger surfaces, and give the microcement surface a beautiful finish. And now it's time to carefully prepare and thoroughly mix the PU Fest 2K sealer. But before you do that, ensure that the surface, the roller, and yourself are all fully prepared for this specific application. If your entire surface is already sanded, vacuumed, and properly prepared, then now get the roller ready for sealing, which simply means firmly wrapping some adhesive tape around the roller. Next, carefully tear off that tape so that any loose fibers that stick to the tape don't end up on the sealed surface, because of course that could easily ruin your entire finish during the sealing process. Then, get yourself fully ready. Put on a protective disposable suit for sealing and be sure to put on disposable shoe covers as well. This is precisely to protect yourself from having any hair or dust fall from you, which could also of course ruin the sealed surface. So if you have yourself the roller and the surface you're going to seal all prepared, we can move on to preparing the PU Fest 2K sealer, and I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. We have 2 separate components of our PU Fest 2K sealer. First, we have component A, which we strongly recommend mixing thoroughly before pouring it into an empty bucket. Then we have component B, which is already ready to use exactly as it is. You will also need a mechanical mixing tool for the mixing process. You'll need a clean empty bucket where we will blend and combine these 2 components together. These 2 packages are prepared so that you can mix both at once and they maintain the correct proportion. But if you want to use a smaller package for this, remember to keep the 5:1 ratio. And for that, you will also need to use a scale. Here I have component A of the sealer. And since I don't need the whole package right now, I'll measure out a bit less for our project. And now for component B. As I said, it is ready for use now. I'm pouring it into component A right now. And I also have some water here in this bottle. Since this is a water-based sealer, you can add a bit of water to it. Try adding about 10% relative to both components combined. This way, the sealer will spread even more smoothly across the entire surface. And now I mix everything thoroughly with our stirring tool. How long should you mix it? There are some different theories, maybe a minute or 2. I recommend stirring the mixture quite slowly and carefully. I generally advise that you avoid using a power drill and a mixer attachment, because mixing the liquid too quickly can introduce unwanted air bubbles into the lacquer, which is something that we definitely want to prevent at all. The final product is ready for application. I have mixed all the ingredients and now we can proceed to the step of sealing. Also remember that if you have a significantly larger surface area and you find yourself in a situation where you need more than 1 can of sealer, 2, 3, or even more, you should mix all the components together right from the start. Because if you end up running out of sealer at some point during the process, the specific spot where you join the new batch may be clearly visible and simply look unattractive. Thanks for watching today's video. PU-Fest 2K Sealer is truly a product that anyone can handle and will give the final look to your microcement covered surface. If anything was unclear, leave a comment. I really do reply very quickly. That's all for today, and I will see you in the next videos where I explain all about how to apply microcement and what it can be used for. Goodbye for now.